All right, it's time for a little application problem action here. We're dealing with our old friend Fetty Wap, and he's starting a party supplies business now. You know, trying to diversify his portfolio. That's always a good idea, to diversify your portfolio. You know, really have your money make money. You know what I'm saying? All right, so Fetty Wap starting a party supplies business. He's going to start by selling two different products. You know, he doesn't want to go too crazy too fast. Plastic cutlery like forks, knives, spoons, things like that. They cost $45 a box. And then he has confetti wap that he's selling, which costs $70 a box. In the first week, he sold a total of 100 boxes, starting out strong, of his new merch, and that sold for $6,175. Woo! $6,175 in sales. Nice job, Fetty Wap. How many boxes of plastic cutlery and how many boxes of confetti wap did he sell? Well, when you're looking at these types of problems, one thing you may notice in this last question here, it's asking how many boxes of plastic cutlery and how many boxes of confetti wap did he sell. That's our question, therefore that's our unknown. Our unknowns are our variables. So let's make the boxes of plastic cutlery as one of our variables and the boxes of confetti wap our other variable. So X we can say is our plastic cutlery, our number of boxes sold of the plastic cutlery, and Y would be our number of boxes sold of the confetti wap. Okay? So we got X for our number of boxes of plastic cutlery, Y for our number of boxes of confetti wap. Now it's time to write our system. So we got to have two equations here, so we got two variables to solve for. Well, let's think about it. The X is the number of boxes plastic cutlery, and Y is the number of boxes of confetti wap sold, and he sold a total of 100 boxes. Well, couldn't I just have X plus Y equaling 100? Because this right here is our number of boxes of plastic cutlery. This is our number of boxes of confetti wap, and he sold a total of 100 boxes. Number of boxes, total number of boxes. They all agree with each other. They're the same thing. There's our first equation. Next one. Looks like we're going to be dealing with that money. I mean, gotta make money. Gotta make that money. So we got to worry about the money. It's $45 a box for the cutlery and $70 a box for the confetti wap, and it looks like he sold $6,175 in sales. In total sales, that's how much he did. So we got money, money, money. Let's write an equation with that. Well, it's $45 for every single box of plastic cutlery he sells, so 45 times the number of boxes of plastic cutlery, plus $70 times the number of boxes of confetti wap, because it's 70 for each box of confetti wap sold. And that gives us his total sales, which would be $6,175. There's our system. That's our system right there. That was a terrible little bracket there. I feel like I want to try that again. That was just awful. There we go. That's a little better. Okay. That's our system. Now we need to solve this system. I would strongly suggest that you solve this using elimination. So if I'm going to solve this using elimination, I want to cancel out x's or y's. Well, I'm going to go with the x's because I can see that if I multiply it by negative 45, that's going to cancel out my x's. I could cancel out my y's by multiplying by negative 70, but why go with bigger numbers? All stay smaller. So my first one is going to be negative 45x minus 45y equals negative 4,500. And then my second equation stays the same. And now I can add them. Well, this is going to cancel out. That's the whole point of what I just did there about multiplying by negative 45. Over here, I'm going to get 25y, and that's going to equal 1,675. Well, how am I going to solve for y now? I'm going to have to divide by 25. And that's going to give me 67. So 67 boxes of confetti wap. Well, how many boxes of the plastic cutlery then? Well, if I take 100 minus 67, meaning I plug it into basically this equation up here, and if the boxes are going to total 100, well, 67 plus 33 boxes is going to give me my boxes of cutlery. So we have 33 boxes of plastic cutlery And we have 67 boxes of confetti wop. Cool? We can write out boxes. It's just a little hard to write on here. Boxes. Okay. There we go. There's a word problem. Super fun, awesome, and we helped out our old friend Fetty Wap. I'm sure he loved this.